In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off motion sensors in Google Chrome quickly and easily. This is useful if you want websites to access motion sensor data for features like games, interactive tools, or device-based controls, or if you prefer to block that access for privacy and security. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your device. You can do this on a computer, laptop, or any supported device where Chrome is installed. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots menu. This opens Chrome's main menu, where you can access all of the browser's settings. From the menu, click Settings. Chrome settings will open in a new tab, and from here you can control everything from privacy options to website permissions. Next, on the left side or within the settings page, go to Privacy and Security. This is the section where Chrome keeps most of your permission and security controls. Under that, click Site Settings. Site Settings is where you can manage what websites are allowed to access, including location, camera, microphone, notifications, and motion sensors. Now scroll down and click Additional Permissions. In this area, Chrome groups extra permission settings that are not always visible at the top. After that, click Motion Sensors. This opens the specific setting for motion sensor access in Chrome. If you want to turn motion sensors on, select sites can use motion sensors. This allows websites that support motion-based features to detect motion sensor data when needed. If you want to turn motion sensors off, select Don't allow sites to use motion sensors. That will block websites from using motion sensor information in your browser. Once you choose the option you want, the setting is saved right away, so there's usually no extra confirmation needed. At this point, you can close the Settings tab and continue browsing normally, and that's it. You've now learned how to turn motion sensors on or off in Google Chrome. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.